Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to send encrypted email on your phone. You could also do this online as well, just with your PC. Right now I'm doing it on my phone. If you're going to do it on your PC, you just got to go to protonmail.com and do it. I'll have the link in the description. But I'm going to show you the app. Now I already signed up. And if you want, they have two different settings for encryptions. It's 2048 and 4096. If you're really worried about stuff being encrypted, I'd pick the 4000. I did the 2000, and I'm actually having a hard time switching it because they have paid accounts and they have free accounts. I'm on a free account right now, so I'm going to have to actually email them support. So I would just pick the 4000. It says it takes longer to set up, though. Now, when you're sending an email, see, the reason all email is not encrypted. Most email is not encrypted. Even if you're on the dark web, the people that own that email normally can see what you're doing. This has a special key. It's a key generator. They can't really see it. The NSA could probably break a 2048 encryption. And I'm pretty sure there's probably somewhere someone can break a 4000 encryption, but it's incredibly difficult. It's probably like some CIA black project type shit that actually be able to do it. So anyways, after you have this signed up, you can send encrypted emails to anyone as well. So all you gotta do is go to the normal right button, which is at the top right corner right by the magnifying glass. Pick whoever you want, like random email at gmail.com. And then you have a couple different options. You have this option, which lets you set a password to get it encrypted. And then you have to confirm the password and you define a hint. Now you could just tell the people what it is so they'll know. And an extra measure of safety is this message expiration. Now, one of the things about this and any email in general, you have to do a lot more to stay to the extreme secure. I'm actually trying to figure out how to do it exactly myself, besides because you can still use a keylogger. If I have a keylogger on your phone or on your computer, it doesn't really matter what you type in here. I'm going to see it. Same thing with just about anything, Tor or anything like that. If I have a keylogger installed, I'm seeing everything that you type. And if I have a Windows recorder set up on your computer, I'm going to see everything you're doing anyways. But it's kind of hard to know whether or not you have one installed on your computer. Normally, you could just use like normal antivirus software, like Malwarebytes or something like that, to catch the average ones. The other ones might be a little bit more difficult to get. But this encryption makes it so people cannot read your emails. The email company cannot. This email company cannot read your emails. They have to have the encryption key. The only person who would be able to do it is someone that has a keylogger set up. But that's how you do it from Android. Like I said, you could do the same thing on PC. Just go to protonmail.com and just sign up for an account and just use it just like you would for Gmail. All right, guys. Have a good one.